guys, so I am going to make a Pokemon soap and it's really awesome and I hope you guys enjoy it. But first, I want to introduce you guys to my new birdie. He's so cute and I can't wait for you guys to see him. Enjoy. Okay guys, so I am all set up and I loved how my egg soap came out. So I have an egg in there warming up because it was in the refrigerator. Should be done by now. And I have my lye water, which is at room temperature, and so is my oil. So I'm gonna just pour it in there. Everything's ready to go. So I have a little bit of oil in this cup, and that's where I'm gonna mix my egg with my oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my egg and I'm gonna just dump this water out. So what I'm going to do is crack my egg open and pour it all in there. Now what most people do is they only do the egg yolk, but I'm going to do the whole egg because the egg whites, it really does have good properties in it, and so does the egg yolk. So I'm just going to add one egg and I'm going to mix it. Okay, and then I'm just going to pour it in here. So I'm going to just scrape everything in here and mix it all in. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour just a teensy little bit here. And I'm going to add a little bit of my colored powder, paprika. Just a little bit because I want to keep its yellow form. And then I'm going to add a little bit of kaolin clay. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in my mold, and I am going to add these little embeds, and I'm gonna add them everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a good tap. Now hard, because you don't want any air bubbles in there. So wow, this one, it looks like it already thickened up, which is a good thing because I'm gonna pipe. That's what I'm gonna use as my piping. So I was gonna use these embeds, but I decided not to, so I'm not gonna use those. So as for this, I need to pipe it up. Okay, so I'm gonna use purple mica. You know, in the Pokemon world, I think that'd be a cool color to have.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I am going to unmold this and see how it came out. Here it is. And those are my little black embeds that I think give it a lot of character to my soap. I'm glad I put those in because they wouldn't have much character, and they're very pretty for my Pokemon soap. So what I plan on doing is grabbing my Pikachu and just putting it right there to give it a little more definition, a little more, or put it on the side like that. Because it took me a long time to make these little Pikachu heads. And I think they're real pretty. I just need to glue them in though. With its own soap. Ooh, that one's pretty. Because they have little pieces of white and black, so that's real cute. I'm glad I put those in there. It gives it a lot of character. But overall, I'm happy. I just kind of wish it was a little bit yellow. So next time I'm going to work on that. And make sure they're yellow. My birdie's singing. I might have to like dust it with gold mica to make it look pretty. And then add the Pikachu heads. So I'm glad you guys really enjoyed my video and my cute little birdie that I'm so excited about. This is the end result, guys. Isn't it cute? And I did choose a few people. I chose Sophia. Thank you so much, Sophia. You're going to be getting a soap from me in your mail soon, hopefully. And thank you for subscribing and following me on Twitter and Instagram. I really appreciate it. And also, Kaylin, thank you so much. I love your comments. You're so sweet and you're so cute. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.